let's take a look at the plasma portion of the blood. Plasma is the yellow-colored portion of the blood. It is the largest portion of the blood at approximately 55% of the blood sample. Plasma contains about 90% water. The remaining 10% is made up of proteins, electrolytes, hormones, gases, and waste products. The plasma has many important functions. These include the transportation of nutrients that the body needs, such as glucose, amino acids, and vitamins. It also plays a key role in carrying gases, such as carbon dioxide, for removal from the body. Plasma also contains essential proteins that support various physiological functions. Albumin helps maintain fluid balance by keeping fluid inside blood vessels. Globulins play a role in transporting hormones and supporting immune function. Additionally, fibrinogen is crucial for blood clot formation, helping to prevent excessive bleeding. Plasma also supports the immune system by transporting antibodies, which help defend the body against infections. Let's compare plasma and serum, two terms often associated with blood. Plasma contains all the components discussed earlier, including fibrinogen, a protein essential for blood clotting. Serum, on the other hand, is the liquid portion of blood that remains after clotting, meaning it does not contain fibrinogen.